Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Ocean's Ice drink in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Call of Wheels. That in this event you can cook any special event, and one of them is this Ocean's Ice drink. And to cook this drink is very easy. First, just go to your Tidal Stove. First, you need to craft this stove, this special stove for the oven. You can, and if you don't know how to craft this stove, you can just check the tutorial in this Heartopia playlist to watch the tutorial about making this stove. And then after that, after you have this stove, just tap on it, and then after that, just choose Ocean's Ice drink recipe. This one, you can get this Ocean's Ice drink recipe from the rewards after you completing the quest from Chef Masimo. And if you don't know how to get it yet, you can just check my another video at the Heartopia playlist too. And then after that, in here you just need to complete all the ingredients. You need the spirulina powder, to spirulina powder. You can buy this from the NPC Masimo, and then you can also get the Starfruit, that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and you can get the seeds from the NPC Pluck. You can buy these seeds from him. And then after that, after you complete all the ingredients, just tap start cooking like this, and then just wait for a moment. Just cook the drink. And just like that, you will successfully making the Ocean's Ice drink in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.